Good morning, guys. Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and today our customer wants this cut in half. So we're gonna trim this shrub all the way in half. So enjoy. It's my music. Now the key to this is that you cut it low in the middle, and then you just cut it nice and even so you can't see the middle. So once it starts to grow up, then this, let me show you. Then the inside, the inside is going to come up right here, and you keep trimming it, and it's going to fill in real nice. If you cut this to where you want it, anytime you're trimming, you're going to be hitting these. So I'm going to clip all these big pieces so this can grow up, and just trim this right here. So eventually it'll fill in. So now, when you look at this shrub from far away, it looks nice and square. See what I mean? And then the inside will grow. You just keep trimming it. It'll grow and fill itself in. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Again, another advice that I will give you guys is that make sure that you know the growth habit of the individual shrub that you're trimming, okay, or the ones that you're pruning, because a professional knows the name and growing habit of each shrub. This way you can better educate your customers, and it makes you look like a professional as well, right? All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a blessed one. Hope you learned something. Pop smoke. Peace.